Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is my part 2 video of a day in Adi's Nature Retreat Resort. And it was really great fun. So we had amazing and full lunch, and we are now ready for our round 2. After having heavy lunch, we are going for a walk now, and we see there are some more games. So we thought of playing them, and it is bottle shooting through the gulail, and I have tried it, and it was really a great fun. Now I am trying my luck in archery.
The man with a golden arrow. Champion.
Here is a cricket bowling machine, and we started playing cricket. You know, right? I am not good in cricket.
Oh,
ಅರಣ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ.
you want to learn forest?
Organic forest. Yeah. We'll take up. That is looking good. Yeah. We'll take a pic.
Say hi.
Welcome to Adi's Nature Family. Now we are going to try boating, and we are four people, so there are four seats also, and we are good to try a boating. River thing. Oh my gosh, we have to do front or back.
We are sitting aram, so we don't do anything.
This will take you automatically. Go back first, then later we'll go there and come back.
I think this is going this way.
I hope it will not.
Now we can go in this direction. Taking it forward. Captain, taking it forward.
Yes, Captain. And after lunch, we thought of taking some rest. So that's why we are taking boating now, because we can sit on it and spend some good time here. And the weather is actually very good, and it is quite peaceful. So we are taking a very slow boating ride, and we have taken four rounds, and it is actually amazing. Snake.
Go jump. Come this side.
Otherwise, you can get down there.
Enjoy it.
Filming our bad
And here is the fish spa and a bull rodeo, bull riding. And there are some girls bull riding, and there are some girls and some team members who are at a fish spa, and for that they paid. Here we are, all are trying a bull riding, and it is quite difficult, but it is more fun, right? And one more thing, after having heavy lunch, please don't try it.
Very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good.
We had those, and now we are heading back to our home. And of course, we cannot miss the Bengaluru traffic. So we are stuck at traffic for more than 2 to 3 hours, and finally we reached our homes safely. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.